Welcome to LaVidaRosa. I'm your host Pinky, and today I want to show you some new things that I have featured on LaVidaRosaStyle.com. Also, make sure you stay tuned till the end because I'm going to share some information on how you can enter the Christmas giveaway. So go ahead and make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and let's just jump into this video. So now that you've seen the new earrings featured on LaVidaRosaStyle.com, I also have added a new tab in addition to the vintage thrifted tab. There's a premium vintage jewelry tab where there's higher quality jewelry and it's all premium vintage. So if you're looking for cute classic vintage jewelry to wear for yourself or maybe even to give to your mom or your grandmom, this is the perfect tab to click on. So make sure you check that out, as well as the wigs tab that feature wigs from my wig reviews. And now for the Christmas giveaway. The giveaway prize will be a DevaCurl Super Curly Kit, and the kit includes a No Poo Decadence, which is a shampoo alternative, a One Wash Decadence, Wash Day Wonder, Leave-In Decadence, and a Super Cream. And if you would like more information on these products, I have a full video, demo, and review of these items, and I'll link that down below. You will receive this entire box full of goodies if you win. The giveaway rules are simple. All you have to do is subscribe to LaVidaRosa. Go follow me on Instagram @_LaVidaRosa_. Follow my business page, LaVidaRosa Style. And once you're done with that, I will have a picture of the DevaCurl Super Curly Kit. And you will tag 2 friends underneath that picture. And once you do that, you will be entered into the giveaway. The winner will be announced 2 weeks from today, so keep your post notifications on. Thank you so much for watching. Shout out to everyone who's ever purchased anything from LaVidaRosa Style. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Peace.